Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method from your New Balance account. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for payment methods at the bottom left side of this page. Beside it is an option for View All. Click on View All. Now you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Remove button under the payment method you wish to remove. Then it will ask you if you're sure to remove the payment method. To proceed, click on Remove. That's how you remove a payment method from your New Balance account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.